In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Bank of America debit card balance. Whether you're managing finances on the go or just want to make sure everything's in order, knowing how to quickly check your balance is essential. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, let's start by checking your balance using the Bank of America mobile app, which is perfect for when you're on the move. Begin by launching the app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, you'll need to tap Sign In and enter your login details. This step secures your access to personal account information, ensuring that only you can view your financial details. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Accounts Overview page. Here, the interface is designed to conveniently display your various accounts. Your checking account linked to your debit card will be prominently shown on the home screen. Right under the account name, you'll find your available balance, giving you a quick snapshot of your finances. If you wish to explore further, simply tap on your checking account. This action leads you to a detailed view of your transaction history, where you can track spending, deposits, and understand pending transactions which might affect future balances. Now let's explore an alternative method. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can check your balance at any Bank of America ATM. Just insert your debit card into the machine and enter your PIN. Once you've accessed your account, select the View Balance option to check your current balance. This is particularly useful if you're out and about without your phone. For those who favor online banking, visit bankofamerica.com. After signing in, you'll be greeted by your main account dashboard. Similar to the mobile app, the online dashboard provides an organized view of your accounts, along with your debit card's linked account balance front and center. This option is excellent for those who often use a computer for banking tasks. Lastly, if you're someone who prefers using the phone, there's an option for that too. Dial Bank of America's customer service line at 1-800-432-1000. Follow the automated prompts to hear your account balance read out loud. It's a convenient way to get real-time updates, especially if you find yourself unable to access digital platforms. And there you have it, multiple methods to check your Bank of America debit card balance based on your preference and situation. Whether through the app, an ATM, online, or by phone, you're equipped with the knowledge to manage your finances efficiently and with ease. Stay tuned for more helpful banking tips and tricks.